Hello everyone and welcome back to one of our cybersecurity videos. Today's video is about one of the smart locks that a while ago installed on my door. Actually, I'm making this one to show you how long the battery lasts before you start changing it for the first time. So when I installed this one, it was in September. So if you go back to the other video, I will leave the link to the original video in the comments or in the description of this video. So the date on the video was 17th of September 2025. And today, let me show you. Today, as you can see, it's the 7th of June 2026. So it has been almost 9 months before this one starts to tell me it's battery low and I need to change the battery. So let me open this one. When you start swiping your finger when you swipe your finger to unlock it, I was just listening to the sound, and then or put the number in it as I showed you in the first video. It just blinks green, and when it starts blinks green, red, blue, purple, then when you know that the battery itself needs to change. There is a sound coming out of it say battery low, needs to change. But I don't think you can listen to it from this distance. But I'm just saying it has been 9 months since I installed the first battery. And today it told me that it needs to change the battery. So I'm going to show you how to change the battery. So this is my battery charger. I'm using this one. I got 8 batteries because this one takes 4 AAA batteries. So I got 8 of them to charge 4 and use 4. So what you do now is you click or you press with your finger on the cover, and it's just a magnet. So I'm just gonna put it here. It's just a magnet. You remove it out and then you can take the battery out. Just gonna use this one to take the battery out. So I'm gonna put them in the charger so we can charge all batteries, and then use the new one, and we take these ones, and then these 4 new batteries, just put them here. Just looking at the direction of the batteries, and then we put this one like this, and we just slide this one again, and that's it. So I open. And that's how you replace the batteries on it. And it said on their website that the battery usually lasts for 1 year, but actually, in fact, this one lasts for almost 9 months, a little bit less than 9 months exactly. And this is the highest battery of AAA I could found. It's, let me just cover the name. It's, if you can see it here, this is the capacity of the battery itself, 1620 mWh. And this is where I bought the batteries. This is the maximum that I could find online. I don't think there is more than this capacity. I think this is the maximum. So the maximum capacity lasts for about 9 months, roughly 9 months. It can go a little bit above 9 months if you leave it up until it's dead completely, but it's 9 to 10 months, not 1 year. Thank you for watching, and wait for more videos.